Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to open and activate a UniCredit online banking account. First, you need to contact the UniCredit Customer Contact Center. When the call connects, follow the instructions provided by the customer service representative. They will guide you through the identification process to confirm your identity. After your identification is successfully completed, the bank will prepare an electronic banking services application form for you. This form will be filled according to the information and instructions you provided during the phone call. The completed application form will then be sent to you electronically. Next, you need to review the application form carefully. Follow the instructions provided to sign the electronic banking services application form. The signing process may be done electronically depending on the method provided by the bank. Once the form has been successfully signed and processed, UniCredit will generate your personal ID code. This ID code is required to access the online banking system for the first time. Along with the ID code, you will also receive a short instruction guide sent to your email address. After receiving your ID code, open your internet browser and go to the UniCredit Bank online page. On the login page, look for the option that says Login by electronically received ID code. Select this option to begin the activation process for your initial access to the service. Enter the generated ID code and follow the instructions shown on the screen. You may be asked to create your personal login credentials such as a username, password, or security verification. After completing these steps, your access to UniCredit online banking will be activated and you will be able to manage your banking services online. Thanks for watching.